welcome to our video manual about maintenance and preparation for storage of our sharpening system KO3. After you finish to work with the sharpening system, the first task is to clean it for any residue material that was left after the process. To do that, we can use the cotton pads or the tissue paper. Everything starts with the clamps. We have to remove any metal dust or stains of oil that was used during the sharpening process. We are cleaning the clamps from the outside and, of course, the inside. We remove the sludge from all surfaces where it may be present, including the frame, the base, and the body of the sharpening system. Release the screws of the clamps, since we don't want any static loads with them. It is not recommended to store the clamps when they are tightened, and we do the same for the tightening ring of the turning mechanism. The next step, the abrasive holder. We remove the stopper ring from this section of the holder, clean it from any dirt, dust or residue material that we have after the sharpening. Then we clean this section with a cotton pad or a tissue paper. After that, we apply the industrial oil to create a protective layer that will prevent any corrosion during the storage. After that step, we either install the holder back to its position, or we disassemble it and store it separately from the device. Release the tightening screws on height adjuster and move it to the down position. If we want to prepare the sharpening system for storage, we have to protect all the main elements of the system that have no coating. To do that, we will apply a layer of oil that will protect those elements from corrosion. To create a protective layer for parts that are not coated, we recommend to use neutral mineral base oil. This is the most suitable solution for this purpose because aggressive alkaline compounds might damage the surface of uncoated metal parts, and the silicone-based oil might have a negative effect for parts that should be moving due to its polymerization. Couple of words about storage requirements. We recommend to store the sharpening system within dark and dry premise which is not available for children. The device should be protected from direct sun rays, excessive humidity, or any aggressive environment. Once the storage is complete, we have to prepare the device for operation. To do that, we remove the protective oil layer that we left before the storage, because some time passed and perhaps some dust was collected by this layer, which will affect the operation, of course. To clean this oil layer, it's better to use the cotton pads or tissue paper and a couple of drops of alcohol. That will help us to remove the oil from metal. And we can start to operate the system. And in the end of our video, we also want to mention that any calibration, maintenance, repair of the turning mechanism of the sharpening system is conducted only by the specialists of the manufacturer. If you have any issues with that unit, please contact our office. That's all. I hope this manual was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you next time.